Hey everybody, it's Bria here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something to help people that have cracked their nails. So my nail is, let's see if it'll focus. My nail is cracking right here. And I don't really want to cut it off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the tea bag method to fix it and cover it up. I did one on this side. I'm not really sure why my nails are cracked like that. And I filed it down so it's like, you know, it's blending in. But I did that one on my last dip powder set. So I'm just, maybe I'll do this one too. So it is cracking right here. So I'm going to use the tea bag method. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use this tea bag paper right here. I'm going to use this crystal clear dip powder. And then the base bond I'm using is just this Serendipity clear base bond right here. All right, so I have some scissors and I need some tweezers. All right, I'm gonna use these tweezers. So I'm gonna get this ready. I'm gonna cut off a little piece of this tea bag. Let's see, is that enough? Yeah, that's good both ways. Just make sure. Okay, I think I'm gonna set it that way. All right. I'm gonna put the base bond on the nail right here. And then I'm gonna place this on there. Make sure it's covering the entire crack on the nail. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Alright, I'm gonna dip this. Let that dry a little bit. I'm gonna do this twice. Alright, so done with that. I'm gonna go ahead and with the activator, activate it. Let it sit and dry for a few minutes. It's not dry yet. It's good and dry. All right. All right, now it's making that noise, so I can go ahead and So that's pretty smooth. Alright, so that's what the cracked nails look like. This is where the crack is. Alright, this is where the crack is, and that is where I fixed it at. So now it's ready, and I can just put my dip powder over it. And I will show you that application. So here is the finished product. As you can see, the crack is completely covered and the dip powder laid really well over it. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe as well as check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.